Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 22nd September 2025, Puratashi Masam 6th Monday, Vishwavasanama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Varsharado, Puratashi Masam, that is Kanya Masam, Shukla Paksham, Tithi up to night 2:51 a.m. Pradhamai, then Dudiyai. Monday, Somavasaram, Nakshatram up to 12:27 p.m. Uttiram, then Hasta Nakshatram, Rahugalam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Yamagandam 10:30 to 12 noon, Gudegalam 1:30 to 3 p.m. Good time 9 to 10:30 a.m. 5 to 5:30 p.m. Today's sunrise 6:05 a.m. Chandrashtam for Kumbharashi. Shulam East, Prayachittam, Kard, Sradhatidi, Pradhamai. Navaratri Arambam, Day 1.